In this video, I'm going to be turning this space into a shed foundation. And if you want to see how I build this shed foundation, make sure you watch the video. So I'm going to be using 4x4s by 8 feet for the foundation, and I'm going to be securing them in the ground with these 2 sections of rebar. I'm going to be hammering them in. And then I've got gravel over there that I'm going to be filling in the shed base with. So right now we're measuring 8 feet corners. So right now I'm just going to be compacting the dirt around what we dug out. So right now we're just putting down the wood.
There's an egg in here.
Egg and where? In this. What?
What kind of egg is that, a robin? Yeah, that's good.
Alright, so we got the foundation mostly leveled. I'm going to start by securing this piece with some rebar and then use that as a guide to kind of go around. Alright, so this is the drill I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be doing it 18 inches from the inside. So right now we're going to be taking out all of the dirt that's in the middle so you can put down landscape fabric and put gravel down. I feel like I'm working on a railroad. So right now we're going to be putting down this landscape fabric so weeds don't get up through the rock.
Can you turn the mic on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, we just finished this, tamping everything down. So I think this is where we're going to stop.